Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Who's this? Oh, oh my God, what is that? Is that your feet? Oh, jeez. And just be sure here and oh, oh God, oh, oh, I gotta get it off. Oh, lady, that's oh, what's that? Oh, the guy over there looks kind of fishy. I got to, oh, some crackers, huh? Yeah, just act like I didn't see him here. Yeah, do a little blah, 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 shake off. Yeah, let's see here. Oh, come here. Let me get that. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, sweet.
Come on, Lucy. Lucy, let's go. Lucy, come. Lucy, come. Let's go. Come on. Atta girl, come on. What's the matter with your feet? Is it too hot? Is your feet too hot? Oh, look at the foot. Look at what's the matter. Is it too hot? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, is it too hot? Oh my goodness. Are you trying to tell Daddy the ground's too hot for your feet? Huh? No, it isn't. Stop playing fake. Oh, you're so funny. No, that's not hot. You know that. You just lay in there. Well, come on. Come on, let's go. Come. Come on. Lucy, come. Come on. Come on. Atta girl.
Oh, what's that? A cookie? Oh, I'm gonna get it. Get over here. Oh, almost. Come here. Oh, jeez, no. Come on. Come here. Ooh. Oh, I'll get you. What can I do here? Maybe if I reach across there, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. You better not move. They call me the masked bandit for a reason. Where is it? I know it's in here. Come on. Hey, I told you not to move. Oh, yes. Oh, oh. Yeah, this is good. Oh, I dropped a piece there. Oh, what is that? Oh, what? Holy shit! Hey, fellas, hey, let me show you this trick I learned here. Just hold on, just a sec there. I gotcha. Haha. Let's see here. What's going on? Oh, there's your issue. Yeah, there's dirt in here. And grease. Ugh. Oh, come on. Come on. Co- eh, Bob, hold it still, Bob, come on. Almost. Oh, yes. Oh, there's a bear claw. Ah, yes. No. No, I just gotta get back up here. Oh my God. Oh, oh, that's amazing. Oh, Bobby, have you seen what this girl can do here? Oh,